Can I with you? What?
ACP, did you see this?
Look, if it ain't official Dana J, Levi for Kelly, Primadonnanews, I don't even want to see it. Just take the phone.
Sex, it was sex to Robert, despite the age. If a girl was in a room and she had a big booty, she had a big booty. If she was 15 or 20, she had a big booty to him.
Yes, I did have sex with Bubba as well. No, we did not have a threesome, but me and Bubba had another relationship outside of Rob.
You know, you made me right now because it's my birthday. I've been in the business 30 years. I'm about to be 51 in a couple of hours, my baby. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear me. Happy birthday to me. To wipe my face, cause I'm sweaty than a motherfucker. Sweaty than a motherfucker. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Something smells. Something smells suspicious. Let me get a time. Something smells suspicious.
No men allowed. What the hell happened here last night?
Kyle's baby, you know what happened last night. You recorded it.
I recorded. No, all I know is I took 2 shots.
I gotta go.
It was a girl here. It was bitches.
Even being around him, he doesn't act his age. And you feel like I'm chilling with somebody I went to high school with.
Kelly flew her to New York to attend one of his shows and even paid for her hotel.
And he asked me how old I was. And I told him. And he's like, you know, if you're really, 16, that you can tell daddy, right? And he was like, you just look about 14, 15, or 16.
Rogers, who was 19 in April, she filed a criminal complaint with the Dallas Police Department and says under their advisement, she recorded a phone call with Kelly, hoping he would admit to knowingly giving her an STD.
But what about my situation? I don't know about no situation. I don't never talk about nothing to nobody on phone. I don't do that. I don't care what the situation is.
Rogers claims Kelly also routinely locked her in a van.
The first time I was left in the car for a total of 8 hours that night, and the child lock was on.
Damn it! Hey! Somebody! Hey, sir! You see those keys there, sir? Oh, screw you!
Dummy. You big dummy. You big dummy. You big dummy. You big cold-blooded dummy. You big dummy. See what you did? Oh, no, you big dummy. Oh, no, you big dummy. You dummy. You big dummy. You're a big dummy there. I'm not kidding you. You're a big dummy. Dummy. Listen to a dummy. You dummy. You bigger dummy than my dummy.
Some more.
No. That Faith needs to get her ass checked. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to check her motherfucking ass.
Okay, well.
I pulled her mama to the side. We was in that goddamn room. And I told her mama, I said, you need to check your daughter. I got 4 hours of motherfucking audio tape and videotape. You need to check that bitch and put her where she belongs. Because her ass is like a loose cannon right now. Now people end up in boxes when they motherfucking ass like a loose cannon. Yeah, she all over the place. The mama can't control that little bitch.
Well, maybe she all over the place because she lying. When it comes down to Faith, I'm skeptical about Faith. I don't know.
Yeah, that bitch lying. I can let you listen to 4 hours of motherfucking tape. That bitch mama told her to go back and get some more motherfucking proof. I got that shit on motherfucking video and audio. I just trying to hold that shit because my daughter's in a situation. I got that bitch saying that on goddamn tape, video and audio. You can see her goddamn face saying this shit.
That's crazy as hell.
But I'm not messy like that. I just want my daughter out this shit. I don't want to get involved in that old dumb shit. That's between her and R. Kelly. But when you start threatening my daughter, we got a whole nother motherfucking ball game. I'm not that nigga to be fucked with. And no, we could go to a professional level or we could go to the hood level. Whatever way you want to take it, nigga. You know what I'm saying? That's just how I am.
All of this, you're going to see this in future testimony, but Azrael knows where everything is. When I say the tape, she knows who's who. She knows where the bank accounts are, where the money is. She knows who's using who. Not seen what we've been trying to show you, that you've been brainwashed. But once she watched that documentary and she read the emails that I sent over to her, that he was sending to Joycelyn, telling Joycelyn the same things that he told her, hiding other tapes for Azrael, just like London on the Track's mom was doing, Cheryl, I forgot her last name, Cheryl Mack or whatever. And so I'm trying to tell you without telling you too much, because like I said, this is a federal case, and I've even helped out the feds with all the information that I've been given. So I was working with the Department of State? Homeland Security, one of them damn police. Homeland Security, my lawyers were, to hand them over everything that we had received